Sheet metal improvements. We have a new function and great improvements in sheet metal module. The new function is we can create a revolve flange, and the loft flange can support more design environment. Select the predefined sketch and select the asset. The revolve flange will be created. In loft flange, we added a new option about bending lofting. Select two sketches which have the whole profile and set the cut points. The cut length can be adjusted. There have 4 times for the cutting methods, and its value can be adjusted like the actual production. We support the non-parallel profile lofting. Just select the profiles. The loft flange will be created. Closed curve and complicated curves can be created the lofting flange as well.